we just got in Apple's new Vision Pro. So let's open it up. This specific Vision Pro is the $3,699 option with the 512 gigs of storage. Apple's unboxing is always superior than everybody else's. Even the cardboard box itself is worth a pretty penny, I can tell you that much. So here we have the Apple Vision Pro, the box, the very cylinder-shaped box. From what I've seen in previous videos, this slides off like a shoebox, but of course we're going to have Apple's infamous new pull strips, I believe on both sides of this device. One side and the other side. Very Apple-like box, nothing that we haven't seen before, very close to the iPhone box. Picture of the Vision Pro on the top there, as you can see, and then obviously the full strips, and this is the 512 gigabyte version. So get this right here as well. So too, this is the MacBook. We did the MacBook unboxing last week, and these are going to be the same thickness of that MacBook that we did. So Apple is definitely increasing their security when it comes to the thickness of these versus the iPhone, this little paper pull tags. So those are definitely being improved from them. So let's open this thing up. So there you have Apple's Vision Pro. I'm definitely geeked out about this. It looks incredible. It looks like there's a lot of actual like floating material on this with Vision Pro here. All the way around the idea. They're very closely from the cover that goes in the front. But let's see what's in the box first. So we'll put the Vision Pro over to this side. For now, we'll set this over here, throw that in it, and Apple's going to have something on the inside. So let's take a look at what they have and go from there. So we open this up. Obviously, that's where the headset part sits. Paperwork. Apple's paperwork on the inside is going to be okay, that's a little bit different. I'm guessing this is for the cleaning of the screen with a cloth. This is a microfiber cloth. I don't know if this is one of Apple's magic cloths. I know they sell cloth. I don't think this is it, but it's a very nice quality fiber cloth that you get with that. So there's that. Packaging, some Vision Pro instructions. Nothing crazy in there, the normal. And then we open this here as well. So this is going to be some type of facial piece that you use for like a cushion on the inside, so if you're wearing this for a long period of time, I'm guessing this is magnetic to the inside of where the lens is there, it goes upon your face, and it'll make sense. We'll see here in a moment, but we have that. We'll set that to the side. Oh wow, this is an Apple booklet on exactly an instructional how to set it up, how to adjust the fittings, where to charge it. If you can see that, there's a whole 9 yards of Apple instructional video. This is kind of cool. An actual manual versus a whole bunch of words, pictures. The infamous lady wearing the headset that we've all seen everywhere in general. So, yeah, awesome. So we got instructions for that. Okay, this is going to be some type of extender. Some form of extender. Hold on, you're going to have to edit this. This is actually
like there's another brand so like what there's a default one and then the one you use that is more customized stuff.
Okay, yes, exactly. So this band right here is actually going to replace, I believe, this band. We'll try it on here in this video or another video, and this is going to replace it. If you want a different fit, some people have different size heads. This might be more comfortable if your use bed feels more of an elastic feel, and it has sizing options, so you can expand it, things of that nature. But we'll get more into that. I don't know the exact details of this, but we'll get into that here in a second. So right now we have, the Vision Pro, the fitting over the eyes, and then the fitting to the back of the head. So they're giving us a lot of options here for this, rare, new, somewhat expensive device. So let's get into more. So we have the braided USB-C to USB-C cable. Apple's been doing braided for the past couple of years. These are great cables. I highly recommend them, keeping them if you have them, and definitely use them on the daily. And now that Apple can charge with pretty much everything Apple can charge with USB-C. These are definitely good to have. You have your 20, let me see, it might not be a 20 watt block, it's up to 30 watt. Yep, you got a 30 watt block here, USB-C compatible. I do not believe this is a fast charging block, but this is a 30 watt block, so it's going to be better than the 5 watt that we used to get back in the day, and a little bit better than your 20 watt block that you would buy from Apple. That 20 watt rounded USB-C block. So we got that. So got some more stuff with this so far. Last but not least, this is what I'm kind of curious about. This is supposed to be the battery pack. You can charge the device using the USB-C cable, and then you can also charge the device as far as the battery pack option using this right here. So let's open this up and see what we got for it. I'm going to rip that open. This is the very back of the iPod 3G feel, or the iPhone 3G feel. This is what you're going to feel on the back of that aluminum metal. I don't believe it's titanium feel. It's a very, it looks like you can open it from the back. I believe these batteries. Just by looking at this, I'm guessing that this back will sit on some type of adhesive and can be pried open with heat into a normal iPhone opening tool to replace the battery on the inside of it. So that's good. That's my first observation when looking at this. Pretty cool all the way around. 3166 milliamps. So it's pretty cool. This is magnetic, I believe, as well. Let's continue to open this just so you guys can have the full experience. Yeah, this is a magnetic piece over here. And this is, so the idea of this is you can charge this, and then you connect it to them. So, so this is supposed to go into your pocket. Putting this reaches around like so, and will charge your device depending on where you put it. So this is honestly, for as wireless as things are, I think this makes sense. On the initial Apple video, I thought this was going to be kind of tacky and definitely hanging all over, but the size of the cord, if you did this, I don't think it would really ever get in your way unless you're sitting down. And even then, it's not really in your way. Maybe if you're sitting on the couch and looking for a movie, you throw it in your pocket and have it like that. But I don't think that this is a really inconvenience at all, considering the size of blocks that we carry around for our MacBooks to charge. I think this is standard. I don't think it's bad at all. I think that Apple will eventually get away and have a fully wireless, where it can run on battery power. I believe I said earlier in the video that this charges by itself, but I think I was wrong. I'm pretty sure that this is the one that just charges, and then it has to be connected to it. It has to be connected to the power source at all times in order for it to work. But I think in the next coming years, maybe the 2 or 3 of the Vision Pro, that they'll be able to get away from this. It's just the thought process of, how do you stick this inside of here without making this incredibly heavy? So I think that's something that they're going to work with. But for now, I think for the first generation, the Vision Pro, this really isn't that bad of an idea here. So I think they got something going on. So again, this Vision Pro that we're about to open up here was $3,700 minus a penny. So this is the mid, there's 256, there's 512, and I believe it's a terabyte. This is the mid version of it at 512. So we'll unbox this and see what's going here. So we got the full strap right here on the side, as very Apple-like and Apple-ish as they can be. Take that out. Everything's formed. All the custom packaging. You got to think These boxes are not cheap, all the way down to this 15 inside here. So you have that. So initially you have elastic, some of the stretch fit, so this might actually be more of a tighter fit. If you like that tighter fit, if you want it, maybe this is falling down, and it's not hitting up in the face, maybe this will look a little bit better for a tighter grip. This is very elastic, like, to the side here. So, yes, absolutely. It looks like this tightens that up in the back too. You're going to loosen this up, tighten that. And then we will, I'll let you guys see it first. There's the Apple Vision Pro, all the way around. So, there's the glass of the Apple Vision Pro. One thing that I did not realize is the cameras. There's cameras right here, and I knew there was cameras, but these cameras specifically, you can see them a little more when they're face-to-face. Apple definitely made them look like you can't see them at all. You can definitely see these cameras a little more when they're face-to-face. They're not crazy, but you can definitely see those a little more. There's looks like there's 6 right there. I will say this piece, if you have maybe a wider face or something, that comes off. It looks like this one, oh, that replaces that right there. So that right there, that's what I was doing. Okay. So this one and this one, maybe it's an extra. I feel like it's extra. I don't necessarily, maybe it's a little bit thicker. If you want a different fit, this one magnetic right into the side of there, and then it just simple. I love Apple with all the magnetic stuff they do. Everything from the MagSafe charger to the back, MagSafe on the back of the charger, the MacBook charger. There's about 10 different ways to put them. The magnetic part that Apple incorporates in all of their devices is significant compared to other competitors out there. So this is a cushion. I believe this is for when you have glasses on. So there's also optical lenses that you can buy. So if you wear glasses, you can put the optical lenses in there, and then you're able to use it with those lenses in there as if you have glasses on. This is, I'm assuming, if you don't have glasses, you want a little closer up fit. There we go, inside of here, maybe a little closer. So there's several different ways to do it. This is obviously our first impression, first time getting this thing, but overall, it's a beautiful device. I think this might be one of the best looking headsets, or VR headsets that we've seen on the market as far as the look of it goes. So overall, this thing looks beautiful, but how does it look? We're going to show you that next in a video on how to set it up, how it works, and there might be a test of its durability in the near future. So follow us, check it out. YouTube videos coming in the next 24 hours. Make sure you check it out online, subscribe. And other than that, you guys will be good to go.